step everyone is going to come now. It's a big event. And thank you so much to Dr. Gopalakrishna sir, the founder of Spiritual Tablets. It's really enlightening and makes everyone healthy, happy, with spiritually, physically, mentally and emotionally.
నమస్కారం అండి, నా పేరు ప్రియాంక దేవరాజు. ఇవాళ మనకి చాలా సంతోషకరమైన విషయం ఏంటంటే కవిత గారు, హూ ఈస్ ద ఫౌండర్ ఆఫ్ కా హోలిస్టిక్ అప్రోచ్, ఈస్ హియర్. వీఆర్ వెరీ డిలైటెడ్ టు సీ హర్. నాకు స్పిరిచువల్ జర్నీ స్టార్ట్ చేసింది ఇద్దరండి, కృష్ణ గారు, కవిత గారు. సో దే పుట్ ఎ స్టాల్ హియర్. వీఆర్ వెరీ డిలైటెడ్ ఇన్ 24th టానా కాన్ఫరెన్స్ ఇన్ మిషిగన్. సో ఒకసారి చూద్దామా వాళ్ళ స్టాల్ గురించి? లెట్స్ సీ.
Thank you, Priyanka. Very happy to see you here. And it is so nice. And so many events and stalls are here. And please come over to our spiritual tablet stall. Our stall number is 1016. We have been educating and providing awareness of how they can transform their life with spiritual journey and holistically make them healthy, happy. And this is Dr. Harsha Kupnur, our Miraculous Minds founder, and our purpose is to spread meditation, Anapanasati meditation, PSSM, PMC, and with much gratitude and heartfelt thanks to Brahmarshi Pitamaha Patriji, PSSM founder, and also Swarnamala Patriji Amma. And do not forget, we have also have Mega Meditation Summit in Los Angeles. August 30, 31st and September 1st. Do not miss that one. And my friend Krishna is here, and Deepika will also be here. Kalpana, Deepika will also come, and Kalpana Garu is also here. Priyanka, and thank you so much. We are making this even grand success. Happy. Yes.
సక్సెస్ఫుల్ ఈవెంట్ కావాలి. ఇది అందరు స్పిరిచువల్ జర్నీకి నాంది పలకాలి. ఇది ఫస్ట్ టైం ఇక్కడ తానాలో మేము స్టాల్ పెట్టాము. ఇది ఫస్ట్ టైం, చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉంది. ఇంకా ఎంతో ముందుకు ఎదగాలి అని చెప్పేసి ఆనందంగా ఉన్నాము. అందరూ ఉండాలి.
అనుకోకుండా కరెక్ట్ టైంకి మా హస్బెండ్ వచ్చారు. అందరూ ఇట్ వాస్ వెరీ నైస్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. Hello everyone. Today July 3rd, 2025, and we are at Thana 24th National Conference and Mega Event. Very delighted, and we have very special guests also at our spiritual tablet stall, PSSM, and Dr. Gopalakrishna Garu, and Dr. Gopalakrishna Mrs. Padma Garu is here from UK, and Swati Garu from India. We are so happy. Thank you so much, ma'am, and for coming over here. And we wanted to know more about like your today's event, what you are going to do, and as a dance teacher and with the spirituality, we would like to hear from you how it can benefit everyone, and they can transform their life into blissful happiness, healthy, so they can radiate around the globe. And also followed by Padma Garu, we would like to hear about the dance and the yoga and the spirituality.
Namaste everyone, especially welcome to 24th Thana Conference in Detroit. I sincerely, with my whole heart, welcome the world's spiritual leaders to this conference. I am a Kuchipudi dancer from India, and I have been performing a lot of classical dances, Kuchipudi dance, all over the world, almost since 40 years. But with spiritual tablets and with Dr. Gopalakrishna Garu, we had a different experience, because I knew Subhash Patriji right from very young age, and my journey of life started with him. And in fact, he molded the personality and a performer in me, directly and indirectly also. But coming to Dr. G.K. Garu, he he has got this unique combination of combining both culture, that is music, dance, literature, along with meditation. So that it will attract a lot of people all over the world. And he made me a part of this huge divine project. And for that, I'm really grateful to Dr. G.K. Garu because we performed, his wife Padmavati is also here. We performed on behalf of PAIDA. Padmavati Garu is the chairman of and CEO of PAIDA organization, and Spiritual Tablets chairman, Anando Brahma Cultural Trust chairman, Dr. G.K. Garu. Both of them, they organized, the husband and wife, our cultural program, Draupadi and Kama Sutra Ballet in UK in last year, that is 2024. So we had this unique experience of presenting Kuchipudi dance with meditation. In fact, we did in Birmingham Indian Embassy also with a lot of rich, enlightened audience came to that, and we were really, this is the first time in the world it happened that dance is actually a form of yoga. But here with Dr. G.K. Garu, we are combining both spirituality and meditation along with the nritta, that is a physical aspect of dance. So that's a unique experience we are going to present even in Thana Festival. Tomorrow, that is 4th morning inaugural, Padmavati, myself and my students Balram and Anjali from Sampradayam Kuchipudi Gurukulam Srikakulam. We are presenting inaugural dance and we are presenting the dance of yoga on 5th evening, prime time main stage. So I would like to thank the organizers of 24th Thana Conference Detroit and also Dr. G.K. Garu and Padmavati Garu for having given us this wonderful program. Thank you.
Thank you, Swati Garu. That's so wonderful, and we are so excited to see your program and really enlightening for us. And would you like to say a few words, Padma Garu?
Yes, so first of all, thank you so much for all the Detroit Spiritual Tablets and PSSM team for this great stall, because our main motto is like a blissful life through arts and meditation. That's why we are including arts and meditation together to lead healthy and happy life. With that motto, not only here but in UK, whatever the cultural festivals done last few years, we organized a very big stall and we introduced meditation to so many artists and so many people. So it is a good opportunity to all the people, like there is a one spirituality is there, meditation is there. Of course, everybody knows that, but they will not practice. So with these stalls, we are creating mass awareness in the people, in between the people. Later, who are really interested, they are coming forward. So thank you so much, exclusively for all the Detroit team for this beautiful stall, and came forward to like 3 days. They gave their time and exclusively for the stall. So thank you so much.
It's a great honor for us, Padma Garu, because coming to US and participating all these events, it's really great and miraculous, we would say. And we have many of our team here. And this is, I'm a homeopathy doctor. So, and homeopathy and spiritual sense meditation. So I do see the same thing, energy, frequency, and getting to inner self. So that's very nice, and thank you once again so much for all the wonderful work, amazing work you guys are doing, and we are all inspiring for us. Thank you. So this is Anapanasati meditation, and this is like a pyramid pattern. When we put this hand and do meditation, the cosmic energy, because of the angles, 51 degrees circles, it gets amplified. Yeah, spiritual tablets. So we are from spiritual tablet is like a wisdom capsule where you get enlightened, you transform yourself, you like more awareness, and you can reach to the higher consciousness, be more calm, and it is like holistic life, holistic well-being. So we have many books, and if you are interested, you can do. And this Anapanasati meditation, this is all related many people, you can see the result. Like we create our own reality. Everything is energy, right? So our positive thoughts, the way we look, the things can change from negative to positive. Where you were unhappy, depressed, sad, angry, now you transform it into accepting the reality, accepting the people. ఆనాపానసతి మెడిటేషన్ మీరు మెడిటేషన్లో ఏంటంటే మీరు ఇట్లా హ్యాండ్స్ క్లాస్ చేసుకుని లెగ్స్ ఇట్లా క్రాస్ చేయండి, కళ్ళు మూసుకోండి. ఏమీ లేదు, కొద్దిగా మన శ్వాస మీద కొంచెం జాగ్రత్త పట్టుకొని ఎరుపుతోటి ఉండడం అలా ఉంటే కళ్ళు మూసుకునేలా ఉంటే మనకున్న థాట్స్ అవి అన్నీ కూడా తగ్గిపోతాయి. మనకు అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుందంటే ఏ ఆలోచనలు లేకపోతే మనకి ఎనర్జీ వస్తుంది. మనలో ఉన్న అన్నీ ఏమన్నా అదేంటి నవ్వులు కానీ డిసీజెస్, మెంటల్ బాధలు, ఎమోషనల్ బాధలు అవన్నీ మన ఇమ్యూనిటీ పెరుగుతుంది. ఇది స్పిరిచువల్ ప్రాక్టీస్. అంతసేపు చేశాక చిన్న మంచి మ్యూజిక్ పెట్టుకోవచ్చు. ఇక్కడ మీకు పిఎస్ఎస్ఎం, పిఎంసి ఛానల్స్ అట్లా ఉన్నాయి, వాటిలోంచి ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ వస్తుంది. ఆ మ్యూజిక్ పెట్టుకునేసేసి అయిపోయాక మీరు ఈ చేతుల్ని తీసి కళ్ళ మీద పెట్టుకోండి. కళ్ళ మీద మీరు నవ్వుతూ ఇట్లా కళ్ళ మీద పెట్టుకునేసి 5, 4.
Namaste to everyone. So today, last 3 days, Kavita garu, Deepika garu, and Krishna Media garu, and the whole team of Detroit, Kalpana garu, because I don't know some of the volunteers. So volunteers who supported for this stall to arrange in Tana. So from FIDA, behalf of FIDA International and Spiritual Tablets team, we are providing the whole set of spiritual tablets. GK sir wrote almost 30 or 40 books. So we are presenting to the all volunteers the spiritual tablets. Thank you
so much అండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ టు హార్ట్ఫెల్ టు బ్రహ్మర్షి పితామహ పత్రిజీ అండ్ డాక్టర్ గోపాల్ కృష్ణ గారు అండ్ PSSM. Please read, and for more information spiritualtablets.com, and also do not miss the mega event happening in Los Angeles. Thank you all.
రాముడి బ్లెస్సింగ్స్, కోదండ రాముడిది అందరికీ బ్లెస్సింగ్స్ ఉన్నాయండి. చిన్ని సాంగ్ రామ 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 రామతాయ రామకృష్ణ వాసుదేవ భక్తి ముక్తిదాయకం రామ 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 నామ తారకం రామకృష్ణ వాసుదేవ భక్తి ముక్తిదాయకం జానకీ మనోహరం సర్వలోకనాయకం జానకీ మనోహరం సర్వలోకనాయకం శంకరాది సేవమాన పుణ్యనామ కీర్తనం శంకరాది సేవ్యమాన పుణ్యనామ కీర్తనం రామ 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 నామ తారకం రామకృష్ణ వాసుదేవ భక్తి ముక్తిదాయకం వీరశూరవందితం రావణాదినాశకం వీరశూరవందితం రావణాదినాశకం ఆంజనేయ జీవనామ రాజమంత్రరూపకం ఆంజనేయ జీవనామ రాజమంత్రరూపకం రామ 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 నామ తారకం రామకృష్ణ వాసుదేవ భక్తి ముక్తిదాయకం. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ అండి. జై శ్రీరామ్.